Hi guys, and welcome to Becoming Kate. So today on Becoming Kate, we are going to be reviewing the Purito Cica Clearing BB Cream in 27 Sand Beige. You can see what I got there. Yes. It's really good stuff, apparently. I've been using it on my face for the last, I would say, month or so, and I actually really like it. The color, I was unsure of because for me, as a black woman, a lot of BB creams from Korea do not match my skin tone. They usually stop at a very light, ashy, scary, ghosty color, and they make you look like you have risen from the dead. I had a skin barrier breakout where my skin just broke out in so much cystic acne. You know, it's healing. As you can see, there's still some marks and things happening around, but for the most part, we've got her all cleared up, which is great. I bought this off of yesstyle.com. I believe they have it on Amazon as well. You guys can, I don't know, I'm like waving it around like you can actually see it. All the instructions on the back are in Korean, but on the front, it says Cica Clearing BB Cream, number 27 Sand Beige. It's a 30 milliliter or 1.0 fluid ounces, 1 fluid ounce of product that you get. Yeah, it says healthy looking glow, flawless coverage, UVA and UVB protection, and EO and fragrance free. So those are all things that I really look for. It's also vegan, which is bomb.com in my book, and makes products even better because they don't test them on animals. All those things, good for the planet, good for my body, good for me. Yay, I like those things. I cannot read the ingredients, so I have no idea what the heck is in this. But I do know that Purito is a very, very, like, mostly natural brand from Korea. So without further ado, let me show you guys how it looks on me. I did find that it has this little bit of color correcting situation that happens when you put it on. So it may adjust to your skin tone, maybe. I don't know, but I'm gonna get it closer so you guys can see. All right, so I got about this much. This is how it looks when it comes out of the package. You can see I don't have any makeup on or anything. So let's go. I was worried, like I said, when I put this on, I was like, oh shoot, what are we getting into? But overall, see that? It's like a nice sheer coverage. I really like that. And it does oxidize a bit, so it adjusts and gets a little darker based on my skin tone, which I like. It's not super full coverage. I'm sure you could build it up to be, you know, but I like it just fine, just as it is, because it covers enough of the dark spots, you know, because I'm not like trying to hide them all the way, you know, that's not the point. I'm like, I'm good, you know, with just having, and this is me just applying it with my hand, no rhyme or reason, just showing you guys the coloring on my skin. So this is where I haven't applied it, and this is where I have applied it. Yep, and I'm just taking that little bit, and as you can see, it just lightly covers enough to me. Like, to me, that's good. Like, I'm not trying, like I said, I'm not trying to like fully, oh, there's a little pimple right there. Well, it's okay. Get rid of my natural skin because I just prefer to have a natural skin look. And I'm gonna do underneath my eyes a little bit. There we go. But yeah, overall, I think it does a really good job. Like, Korean BB creams usually are very casty, and you can even see a little bit with this one that there's a little bit of ash, like a little bit right at first, but it actually subsides after a while and it becomes like a little bit more brown. And I just accentuate it maybe with a little blush or something to help, you know. But I really like it. I think it's so cute. But this has been my go-to literally all spring thus far. And I don't wear really anything else. Maybe a little mascara, maybe. So I hope this helps you guys if you're trying to purchase the Purito or have thought about it. I believe they have like 2 other colors and they're a little lighter. So, I don't know guys, it's Korea. What can we do? The day Koreans make black people or brown people BB creams, they will have wrapped the world around their finger, because I surely will be in line to get it. I just want something that keeps my skin healthy and clean, and this has SPF in it and it makes my skin look really good. If you're wondering and you need any more help or have any questions, please comment down below. Maybe I can help you, maybe I can't, I don't know. Thanks for watching guys, I really appreciate you. Have a great rest of your day. This is Becoming Kate saying goodbye. Peace out. See you later.